Welcome to the 8th tutorial in this series of HTML and CSS. In this tutorial we're going to be going over forms and how you can use them in HTML. So the first thing we need is our opening tag for the form, and we need our closing tag. What this form is going to do, it's going to ask the user for input about their first name and their surname. So first of all, let's put some text here. Space would be nice, letting the users know where they're going to be inputting this information. So to do this, we need to tell the browser what input type it's going to be, and the input type we're going to use is text because that's what they're going to be inputting, and we need a name to reference this, and it's just going to be first. Close off this tag. We're going to copy and paste this here. We should probably break this off there just for some nice space. We're going to save this. We're going to see how it looks in the browser. Okay, so there you go. Got our first name and our surname, but as you can see at the moment the user can't do a lot with it. So we're going to introduce another element to you, and that is the submit button. The submit button, we don't need any text for that because it will be written inside the button itself. But the input type, there is in HTML actually an input type called submit, and we're going to be naming this just submit for now. Close this off, and there you have a basic submit button. First name, surname. We'll break this off a bit to make it look nicer. Save that, open it again, and there you go. We can ask the user for their first name, surname, and submit. So on their own, HTML is just a way of marking up the data. So at the moment we can't do a lot with this form, we can't process it. That's going to come later on in the PHP tutorials, but for now I just wanted to give you an idea of what forms are and how they can work. And the next few tutorials I might do a few more sections on it, such as how you can use passwords and so on, how you can mask characters and things like that later on. But like I said, the actual processing itself won't come in these HTML tutorials, it'll come later in the PHP ones, but they're good to know and they're an important part of HTML. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.